Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to check your iPhone is original or fake. So this is my iPhone 17 Pro. I'm just provide how can easily check it's original or fake. So let's get started. Open settings, press on general, to about. So as you can see, showing it to my serial number. Just long press to copy this. Okay, now I'm successfully copy my serial number. Go back, open your any browser, like I'm open my Safari browser. Go to search option, search it to check coverage, check coverage.apple.com. okay, just press on, then you get this link, and this is and this show this interface. Just enter your recently copied serial number, long press, and just press on to paste, press on submit, and you just wait a few seconds, then you get result. So this iPhone is iPhone 17 Pro and serial number, purchase date, and showing it to all about, limited warranty, and you just easily check out this and make sure this iPhone is real or fake.